Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the ZX family. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my Instagram baddie inspired look. This is basically a look that I would do if I'm trying to look snatched, quick, in a hurry, and I have done this video in collaboration with Klaiyi Hair. They are the lovely hair vendor that did send me the 28 inches. I'm going to leave that video in the cards right now if you guys would like to check out the review for that hair. However, in this video I'm just going to be showing you again myself straightening and styling this hair. I have just applied some serum into this hair, and serum basically is just going to help the hair to sort of be more shiny and also to just in some way protect it against the heat that I'm going to be applying to it. This hair is in the length 28 inches, as I've already said. Sorry about that. And all the other information I'm going to leave in the description box down below, and I will also leave it on the screen right now so you guys can check that out. My straightener is from Vidal Sasson. It is not that amazing, honestly, and I keep saying this in every single video, so I actually wouldn't recommend that you guys get this straightener. However, I think I will leave one down below that you guys can use, and I will be back to chat to you guys when we get into the makeup portion of this video.
Back Monday, Tuesday, I'm holler. I switch ups like X, I'm a baller. And if I get your phone number, I'ma call you. And we can meet up the next day and chill. But I'm always on the road, baby girl, that's how I live. I got bills to pay, I got moves to make. But when my plane touch down, pick me up at 8. Don't be
I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your sunshine. I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your sunshine. We don't have to be in love. We can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end. I can bring my girls, you can bring your friends. We can both have fun. Don't want this.
they say.
We can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end. We can just be friends. I will be right there, beginning from the end.
Okay guys, when it comes to makeup, I do my regular face routine. So I start off by priming my skin. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser as my primer. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And this is a perfect foundation for me when I'm doing my Instagram baddie tutorial, because I know that it is full coverage and I know that it looks really, really good on camera. So if I know I'm going to be taking pictures, definitely a foundation that I will tend to go for.
You can be your sunshine. I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. Maybe we could spend some time. You can be your
Next up, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 45. This is honestly my favorite concealer at the moment, guys. It is 10 out of 10. Can you guys see that color? And the coverage is bomb.com or thebomb.com. Mother, wow, sis, what's actually going on? But honestly, guys, this foundation is gorgeous. It blends really, really well, and it's full coverage. It does all things that need to be done. Concealer obviously is super important when we're doing the Instagram baddie look, because you need to be full coverage, and that honestly means that your concealer needs to be doing the things that need to be done, and this concealer definitely does that for me.
I think it's about time we link up. Keep it hush, don't say too much.
Next up, I'm going to be setting all the places that I've just highlighted. In order to do this, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Translucent Setting Powder. This powder is very, very white, as you guys will be able to see, so you don't want to go too OD with this. But in order to bring back the color to my face, I go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the color Toffee. I will be doing a Maybelline video, a full face of Maybelline video soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Then I am going to be taking my Bonnie X Yardley collaboration bronzer in order to add a little bit more color to my face, and obviously just to bronze my face. face. This bronzer is perfect, guys. I actually can't believe that I found a bronzer that works for dark skin, so definitely recommend. And of course, we celebrate and support black women killing it on this channel, so definitely go out and purchase that. Then next thing, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette in order just to add a little bit of color to my eyelid. There is nothing hectic that I'm going to be doing here. This is obviously, as I said, something that I would do if I'm just doing a quick look. And I've also noticed that a lot of Instagram makeup, I want to say they makeup baddies, yeah. I've noticed that they do this a lot as well, and then also add in the winged liner. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara. This is another mascara from Maybelline. It is really amazing. Then I'm going to be going in with my Essence eyeliner. This eyeliner is honestly my favorite, and I actually don't know a better, babes. It is 10 out of 10. You guys need to cop. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my lipstick. I'm so sorry, but the clip where I was doing the highlighting did get cut off, which I hate. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little video.
We are sip the heli for the day, baby. Bad man, we no scared, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. You know, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you.